In our previous lesson, takaita parametric differentiation. Today we want to begin from implicit differentiation. In today's lesson, we want to look at implicit differentiation. The first thing we should appreciate, or by definition, implicit differentiation, this is a technique which is used to differentiate equations where either x or y cannot be easily expressed as a standalone item. Saka ma-conditions anoita kuti taapply implicit differentiation ndeaya: x and y, which are variables, cannot be easily expressed as standalone variables, not items. And we have to underline the word easily. So patino apply implicit differentiation, x na y, which are variables inside our equation, kana tisingakwanise kuita separate easily, kana kuita express easily either x or y into standalone items, we apply implicit differentiation. So it's going to be apparent when we have an example, but let us put an example here. For example, let us say tangatanzi differentiate 3x squared minus 2xy plus 5y to the power 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Tanzi differentiate that. As you can see, at this term, we have minus 2x squared y. Saka both x na y zviri kuwanikwa paterm imwe chete. Both x and y, they are attached to minus 2. So if we have situations like this, where we have joined both x and y on a single term, and we cannot easily express them as standalone items, then we have a situation where we have to apply implicit differentiation. Are we together there? Saka implicit differentiation is based on the notion that all terms are differentiated with respect to x. Saka kana tichita implicit differentiation, we have to differentiate all terms with respect to x. WRT is all out with respect to x. So we have to differentiate all terms with respect to x. In the case where the term is in terms of y, the differential coefficient, that is dy dx, is attached to the derivative. So when term is attached to y, and it can, in the case where we have term which is in terms of y and not attached to y, we have to attach the differential coefficient. So let me just say we use the differential coefficient. So it's differential coefficient. What is the differential coefficient? Dy dx. And you're going to see what we mean. Let us have an example. Saka, in our example, we have to know before theta example that the product rule is used to account for the derivative of a product if any exists. And let us use this as our example. So example yedu iri kuti 3x squared minus 2x squared y plus 5y to the 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So we want to differentiate that. But before we get into it, chekutanga, we have to notice if we have a situation where we have to apply the product rule. Saka tinotarisa different terms ari kuita make up this equation toona kana tiine pano pane product. So can you see that minus 2x squared y is a product of x na y? So rather what we can do here is tinenge kuti consider 2x squared y. Indeed. Saka consider tinoshandisa kuti separate a certain part of that equation which we want to work on alone, not independently. Tozoita input what we get after we have solved it independently. And it saka panapa that consider 2x squared y ichava tatichi let uv equal to 2x squared y. This means therefore u is equal to 2x squared and y and v sorry will equal to y. And it what is du dx? Du dx is equal to is equal to 4x. Ndeka or dv dy is equal to is it dv dy or dv dx? Because panapa panenge paina x to the power 0 and so what is dv dx? What is it equal to? It's equal to 1. Okay, so we know that dy dx according to what? Dy dx according to the product rule inonyorwa sei? What is the formula? Inotanga v, remember, inotanga v yoti du dx plus u dv dx. And it, so what is this going to be equal to? V ndian, v ndi y and saka y multiplying for du dx ndian ndi 4x. Andika to tatichi plus for u ndian 2x squared multiplying chi dv dx which is 1. And saka what are we getting here? 4xy plus 2x squared. Saka ino answer yatiri kuwana inoi ndo yatoda kuzonoshandisa kumusoro kuno. So since that consider 2x squared y, what it means is we want to replace 2x squared y and nani na 4xy plus 9x squared. But remember kuti this is a derivative. Mbona? So tinoda kuireplace as a derivative. But kuti zvinyatsokuoneka, let me do my working beside panapa. So I have changed the color. Kana takuda kudifferentiate this expression tinotanga na 3x squared. The derivative of 3x squared ndiani? Because basically tinoda kuziva kuti dy dx ndiani. We want to differentiate y with respect to x, and this is equal to, what is the derivative of our first term? Term number 1, it's 6, because it's literally 2 times 3, which is 6, and we then subtract 1 from the power of x, kuti 1 is 6x over that minus, then tonyora zvatawana kuno uku apaona. Sa tinozvinyora sei? Manyorero atinofanira kuita panapa ndeaya. The first term yatiinayo dy 4x, let us write it like this, y 4x ngatisa expressa like this, multiply y times 4x, ngatingoti 4x, ngatisa multiply y na 4x to make 4xy, so ngatingoti y bracket 4x andika tobva tati plus, but there's a statement yatataura kumusoro kuno, statement yekuti kudini tati. Let me reread the statement. Implicit differentiation is based on the notion that all terms are differentiated with respect to x. In the case where the term is in terms of y, a differential coefficient dy dx is attached to the derivative. And saka, when we are differentiating something which is in terms of y, we attach differential coefficient dy dx to that something. You get it? Saka patauya panapa patashandisa the product rule to differentiate 2x squared y. If you look closely, we made u to be 2x squared and we made v to be y. Tadaro, this is in terms of y. Zvirikuoneka nandotsanangura futi. You remember the confusion yatanga tiinayo panapa, kuti is it dv dx kana kuti dv dy. In actuality panapa should be dv dy, because we want to differentiate something which is in terms of y. Panapa yati du dx because tiri kudifferentiate in terms of x. Panapa it's dv dy because tiri kudifferentiate in terms of y. So I'm sorry for the confusion caused panapa, but that's how we learn, through mistakes. So is it now clear that tiri kudifferentiate v and tiri kudifferentiate v but are in terms of y? Like notation iyi yakakosha. Inonyorwa kuside kuno ndo chinenge chiri pamusoro du, inonyorwa mukati meequation ndo chinenge chiri pasasi dx. Saka patati u is equal to 2x squared, we are differentiating u in terms of x. Saka apo takufanirwa kuti dv dy we are differentiating it in terms of y. Saka whenever we are differentiating something in terms of y, what we have to do, we have to then attach the differential coefficient to that something. Saka panapa it's going to be plus 2x squared 1. Then because the differentiator, this one taiwana, which differentiator in terms of y, tinovataisa chi dy dx. So not a lot of practice, otherwise it's very confusing. So you understand my replace data panapa. Then let us go to the next term. Term yakati chi 5y to the power 4. Kana tichida kuseparate this term, let us say panapa tanga chigona kuti iyi yakati chi 5y to the power 4. Andika kura kuti tinenge tichinyora sei, tinogona kungoti a is equal to 5y to the power 4. Derivative yatinoda kutsvaga panapa inenge iri chi va vy. We are differentiating with respect to y. Saka kana our term ichicontain y, automatically we are going to differentiate in terms of y. Saka panapa zoreva chi, zoreva kuti 34 times 5 ndeyani 20 y to the power 3 but since tachidifferentiata in terms of y tinobva taisa chi dy dx. I think the second example inoita kuti make sense. Then -4 is a constant without its 0. We can say -0, we can leave it like that. This is equal to chi 0. The other thing is it becomes useless kunyora kuti dy dx is equals to, kana chidifferentiata zvinhu zviri implicit, we just have to start differentiating, because at the end of the day we want to make dy dx subject of formula twananza yedu and okay. Saka panapa tinge takuita sei? Let us simplify these things. Tinge takungonyora 6x minus, ngatisimplify mukati memabrackets munomu, saka iyo inge yachi 4xy. But if you are me, you can be asking kuti nemhaka yei panapa tikunyora y 4x, tikuregerei kubva tanonyora dy dx. So I want to confirm if you have this confusion kana kuti hamuna, ndirege kutsanangura zvinhu zvamusina confusion over. Because panapa we were differentiating with respect to x. So mutemo implicit differentiation unoti we should differentiate with respect to x. Asi patinomanikidzwa nesituation kudifferentiata with respect to y, tinofanirwa kuattacha the differential coefficient dy dx. Saka let us further simplify panapa. This becomes plus chi 2x squared dy dx like this, over yati plus 20 y cubed dy dx is equal to 0. Kureva iko kuti ndanga ndiuye kuno kuitira kuti zvikwane. Ichati 6x minus, saka iyi minus yaku multiply inside the bracket, saka inova minus times 4xy, which is minus 4xy, minus times plus that, which is also minus 2x squared dy dx plus 20 y cubed dy dx is equals to chi to 0. Zvatiri kuda panapa toda kuita make x, toda kuita make dy dx subject of formula. Saka kuti tite make dy dx subject of formula, let me copy that kuside kunoko. I can copy foot. Toda make dy dx subject of formula. So what we are going to do, tichaendesa 6x na minus 4xy kuside uku, kunoku tichasara tina minus 2x squared dy dx plus 20 y cubed dy dx is equal to 4xy minus 6x. Then kunoku togona kuinyora yakadai so 20 y cubed dy dx minus 2x squared dy dx is equal to 4xy minus 6x. Then we factor out dy dx kunoku. Tinosarwa tina 20 y cubed minus 2x squared is equal to 4xy minus 6x. Toshandisa cross multiplication kuendesa e kuside uku. Kuda kuti inge ichi dy dx iri equal to 4xy minus 6x over 20. Let me do this panapa. Identity over minus is the same thing now, over 20 y cubed minus 2x squared. Zvanzwisika here zvese zvaitika. Inomboda kutsanangurwa here kana kuti we are okay? Zviri kuitika panapa ndezvekuti tiri kuda kubvisa bracket iri kuside uku kuti kungosara kuna dy dx. Saka touya kuno kutoti times 1 over bracket 20y cubed minus 2x squared. Kuitira kuti aya mabracket aya achekane. But zvataita kuleft ndo zvatinoita kunoku, saka i times 1 over 20y cubed minus 2x squared, which is simply 4xy minus 6x over 20y cubed minus 2x squared. Zvaoneka. In situations like this, don't think of it in terms of dividing, but think of it in terms of multiplying with the reciprocal. Because mukada kudivide memakusa division sign panapa, ipo paina dy dx, it becomes confusing. But if you multiply by 1 over, it makes sense. You see? Saka panapa, answer yedu inge yatobuda, but to be safe, let us factorize both numerator and denominator. Kumusoro tinoisa 2 kumanamba x. Kuroti panapa pachasara painani tina 2y minus 3. And it to that over. Then pazasi panapa the 2 zvakare. Bracket umenge mina 10y cubed minus x squared. Saka hazvichekani zvinhu izvi kunze kwekudai so. Kuroti in a simplified version our answer inge iri dy dx is equals to x 2y minus 3 over 10y cubed minus x squared. Zvaoneka here.